Are you ready for the ChiEnergy Masterclass? Go!
Patricia is amazing. I mean, she has an energy of giver and protective. She gives me a lot of confidence and I feel connected.
She has a lot of expertise working with the Chi energy. She makes us feel like we are in a safe place.
The rule of the 333s is to always lead your life and make your decisions at the 333 level. So always lead your life 3 levels higher, 3 steps ahead, 3 layers deeper. Do you want to learn this technique?
It's like you have a heavy load on your shoulders, all of a sudden you feel light.
We never left your back! I'm not going to leave here until you are done.
Take a deep breath. Exhale. Inhale. Let it go and fill your lungs with life force. Smell the forest. Bring in all the senses into your body only, and only the body. As the roots grow underneath your feet and they keep growing into the earth, visualize those roots growing and anchoring you into the earth, and they go into the center of the earth.
For me, it was a great experience, especially working with the chakras. It made me perform better.
The way I think ChiEnergy could improve the film industry is it brings that human aspect to it. It's about intuition and about flow. The film industry is like missing that. I think would create even better art.
Dreams can come true. It's not about believe it and it'll be true. Yes, believe it, but at the same time, you don't need to believe it. You just have to vibe it. Thank you. Seriously.
I think every director needs to do this kind of workshop to be more authentic, to be more connected.
The workshop has been transformative. It's been healing. Just to work with so many other creative and artists, it's just been a really amazing experience. I'm learning a lot about myself.
It's allowed me to both be more vulnerable and more powerful.
It allows me to understand how to get to the things that I want in my life, the things that I want in my career.
ChiEnergy!